Hi there, Jennifer Burns bringing you a fresh and delicious salad idea today using Slide Ridge products. Of course, Slide Ridge being a Utah's own company. We are making a tomato, cucumber, and basil salad. Doesn't that sound so refreshing? Perfect for this time of year. Let's start off making the vinaigrette. I'm going to use the Slide Ridge Nature's Honey. It's the Honey Wine Vinegar. Now I also have this product out because it's their jalapeno honey wine vinegar. If you wanted just a little tiny kick, kind of that flavor in the back of that jalapeno, you could use that in this vinaigrette as well. About 1/4 cup is going in here. This is such a great product. Of course, Slide Ridge makes their own honey as well. If you wanted to use a little bit of sweetener in this, you can. I kind of like it with just a little bit of tartness for this particular salad, but make it your own and add that honey if you like the sweetness. I'm getting in some garlic powder. You could also grate a little bit of fresh garlic. Gonna get some Dijon mustard in there and some salt, some fresh cracked black pepper. You might even, if you're growing your own garden, you might even have your tomatoes coming up pretty soon or starting to get ready. And of course, I actually just picked this basil right from my little herb garden. Okay, we've got that mixed through. We're just gonna take our olive oil here. And you just wanna take your vinaigrette. I like to do it in the bottom of my bowl here before I add the ingredients, then I don't dirty up another bowl. Just to take your vinaigrette to where it emulsifies. There we go, just add a little bit of that olive oil at a time, about 1/3 cup. Perfect. I kind of just eyeball it. Made a lot of vinaigrettes in my life, so oh, that looks perfect. You see it kind of just a little bit thickening there. That's what you're looking for. Let's take that tomato, set that right over here. Take that tomato, fresh tomato, I've just got cut up. Use any kind of tomato that you like. Some red onion going in. It's going to kind of balance that out a little with some of the acidity of the Slide Ridge of the honey wine vinegar. It'll just kind of tone down the sharpness of that onion as well. We're going to take that cucumber, get it in there, looks so good. And then right over here is an option. I've got some feta cheese. You could add some feta in there if you like, or just leave it without cheese. Little salt in there, a little bit more pepper, and then I've got that basil right here from my garden. Just going to take it. I put all the leaves together like this, and then I take them and I just tightly roll them. And we're just going to do a chiffonade cut on these. This is so good. Put this in the refrigerator. How refreshing it is. Just I love crunch, so that texture is just perfect there. Take that chiffonade basil, just kind of put it all over there. And this could be served right away, or if you wanted to just chill it for a little bit, just put the basil on right before you're ready to serve. Mix that together. That's as simple as it is. Look at all those colors. That looks so good. Try this one, and slideridge.com is where you want to go to buy their products, to see where their products are sold, and get more information.